Humble beginnings. A store in Cincinnati, Ohio. A journey of almost 2 centuries began as a single illumination for Thomas Emery Sr.'s passion and belief that one right solution can bring forth a difference to the world. Fueling a 175-year journey that has brought Emery to the furthest reaches of the globe. We now exist in an age of globalization, in an age of disappearing borders. Today, 54% of the world's population live in urban areas. This proportion is expected to increase to over 66% by the year 2050. Such growth strains our food resources unless we find solutions for the better management of food supply. In our search for answers, we forged partnerships and applied our knowledge of chemistry to help engineer agricultural biostimulants and biopesticides that aid crop growth despite adverse conditions, to produce better yields and better quality farm produce for the ever-increasing population. With this comes changes to our demographics. With this comes changes to our social structures. These transformations emerge in the form of new lifestyles and changes in consumption patterns, pushing businesses to adapt or face becoming obsolete. We want people to access better food that is safe and food that is fresh. We collaborate with food manufacturing industries to create packaging solutions that extend lifespans and the shelf lives of packaged foods. These packaging materials incorporate anti-fogging and anti-static agents that eliminate moisture and prevent the buildup of hazardous particles. With rising population density and easier access to resources comes the challenge of waste management. In the United States alone, on an average day, we generate enough trash to fill over 63,000 dump trucks, and most of this trash ends up in landfill. Emery's sustainability goals inspired the production of biopolyols. Using used foam as feedstock, we now manufacture a range of polyols that deliver on performance and cost, with the added potential of reducing pressure on landfill around the world. As we continue to prosper, the demand for natural resources and energy rise. Once again, we combine skills and experiences to produce sustainable oilfield solutions such as biodegradable emulsifiers and biolubricants that are used to enhance oil recovery efficiency, reducing the severity of global oil and gas depletion. What is the price of progress? Every year, sea levels are rising due to melting polar ice sheets caused by the greenhouse effect. Recognizing that our dependency on combustible fuel is driving carbon emissions and climate change, Emery continues to forge sustainable partnerships with pioneering businesses to address this issue. Emery is also pursuing new technology that helps shape a new generation of natural-based chemicals. We are currently developing a range of high-performance rubber compounds utilizing proprietary carbon nanotube dispersion technology. This will result in more longer-lasting, more durable rubber products such as tires and gloves. We are working together to push the boundaries of science beyond the limitations of scarcity and venturing beyond specialties. A life not bound by time, nor is it geographically relevant or politically driven. It is about looking beyond our differences, combining our strengths, and the mutual understanding that we can all make a change. Appreciating that there's much left to learn from this planet. Appreciating that the lessons we learn help us leave behind a better world. And appreciating that we share a collective responsibility for our future generations. This is Emery's promise. This is going beyond specialties. This is Emery.